Making money online has become a reality for millions of people, and one of the most effective ways to generate a steady income is by writing articles. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a complete beginner, this video will guide you through the process of earning $100 daily by writing articles. From choosing your niche to finding high-paying clients, we'll cover it all. So, if you're ready to turn your writing skills into a consistent income stream, keep watching. Let's start with why article writing is such a lucrative option. Businesses, blogs, and websites need constant content to attract readers, improve their SEO, and grow their audience. High-quality articles drive traffic, and that traffic turns into revenue for these businesses. This creates a huge demand for skilled writers. With platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, and freelance websites, even beginners can tap into this demand. Plus, writing articles offers flexibility. You can work from anywhere and choose your own schedule. Now let's talk about the skills you need to succeed as an article writer. Don't worry if you don't have prior experience. Many of these skills can be learned with time and practice. 1. Strong writing skills. This means correct grammar, proper sentence structure, and clarity in your writing. Tools like Grammarly can help you improve. 2. Research ability. To write valuable articles, you need to gather accurate and relevant information from trusted sources. 3-point SEO basics. Search engine optimization is crucial for online articles. Learn how to use keywords effectively to rank higher on search engines. 4. Time management. Meeting deadlines is critical in this field, especially when working with multiple clients. 5. Creativity and adaptability. Every client or platform may have different requirements. Being able to adapt your tone and style is a huge plus. Next, let's dive into choosing the right niche for your articles. Writing in a specific niche not only makes you an expert, but also helps you charge more for your work. Here are a few popular and high-paying niches: technology, reviews, tutorials, and industry news, health and wellness, fitness tips, diet plans, and mental health topics, finance, investment advice, personal budgeting, and cryptocurrency, digital marketing, SEO strategies, social media tips, and content marketing, lifestyle, travel, fashion, and personal development. Start by choosing a niche that interests you or one where you already have some knowledge. Over time, you can explore other areas as well. Before you start earning, you'll need a portfolio to showcase your skills. Your portfolio acts as your resume and gives potential clients an idea of your writing abilities. 1. Start with free work. Write a few sample articles for yourself or offer to write for friends, family, or nonprofits. 2. Publish on platforms. Medium, LinkedIn, and personal blogs are excellent places to publish your work. 3. Diversify your samples. Include articles from different niches to show your versatility. 4. Create a professional website. This is optional but highly recommended. A website with your portfolio, contact information, and testimonials can attract high-paying clients. Now comes the question of where to find clients willing to pay you $100 or more per article. Here are some of the best options. 1. Freelance websites. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Create a compelling profile and apply to relevant jobs. 2. Content mills. While these don't pay as much, platforms like TextBroker and iWriter are good for beginners to gain experience. 3. Cold pitching. Research websites or blogs in your niche and reach out directly to offer your services. 4. Social media. Platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook groups often have job postings for writers. Networking here can land you long-term clients. 5. Job boards. Sites like ProBlogger and Blogging Pro list freelance writing gigs regularly. Remember, persistence is key. It might take a few weeks to land your first client, but the effort will be worth it. One of the most challenging aspects for new writers is setting their rates. Many beginners undervalue their work, which can lead to burnout and frustration. Here's a simple guideline. 1. Start low but not too low. For beginners, $20 to $30 per article is reasonable. Once you gain experience, increase your rates gradually. 2. Charge per word. Many writers charge $0.05 to $0.10 per word. For a 1,000-word article, this means $50 to $100. 3. Value your expertise. If you're writing in a complex or technical niche, you can charge premium rates. Negotiate confidently with clients and always deliver high-quality work to justify your rates. Earning $100 daily may sound daunting, but with a solid plan, it's entirely achievable. Here are some tips to help you get there. 1. Set daily writing goals. For instance, write 2 to 3 articles daily at $50 each. 2. Work with multiple clients. Diversify your income by working with 3 to 5 clients regularly. 3. Focus on long-term projects. Retainer clients provide steady income and reduce the stress of constantly searching for new work. 4th, upsell services. Offer additional services like editing, proofreading, or SEO optimization to increase your earnings. 5. Improve your speed. With practice, you'll be able to write faster without compromising quality, allowing you to take on more projects. Using the right tools can make your article writing process faster and more efficient. Here are some must-have tools for writers. 1. Grammarly, for grammar and spelling corrections. 2. Hemingway app, to make your writing clearer and more concise. 3. Google Docs, for easy collaboration with clients. 4. Trello or Asana, to manage your projects and deadlines. 5. Keyword research tools. Tools like Ubersuggest or Ahrefs can help you find SEO-friendly keywords. By following these steps, you can start earning $100 or more daily as a freelance article writer. Remember, success won't come overnight, but with dedication, consistent effort, and a willingness to learn, you'll reach your goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others looking to start their journey as freelance writers. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy writing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more valuable content like this. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another exciting way to make money online.